Hi, I am Kaji Humayun Rashid, a system architect and full stack developer. Today I am presenting MindWeave, a multi-agent decision system built for Track 3 Agent Society in the Qwen Cloud Hackathon. Here you can see my diagram. Now I want to tell you about my technical robustness. Engineering wise, two principles drive this. First, every agent return structured JSON, confidence real data never fabricated. Second, every API call has explicit error handling, failure surface as warning, not fake fallback. Backend FastAPI plus Python on Alibaba Cloud ECS, frontend bilingual English and Bengali, memory Alibaba Cloud OSS with timestamp based persistence. You can see here in details. Now I can see my user interface. Now let's see it in action. Here is the live application running on Alibaba Cloud ECS at IP 47.236.122.144 port 8000. I will submit a complex decision scenario. Watch as the four agents Sriti, Buddhi, Hriday and Math work through the problem. Sriti pulls relevant context from memory. Buddhi builds logical arguments. Hriday evaluates ethical implications. The consolidated debate layer synthesizes their disagreements, and Math articulates delivering a final answer with a transparency score. Notice no single agent decide alone. The debate layer surfaces real disagreement. Math does not guess confidence. It calculated from the reasoning itself. Memory and Sriti shapes the interaction to OSS. Each session builds memory. MindWeave learns over time. Thank you.